Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are gonna film the June update for the project pen, so if you're curious about that, please keep on watching. Today is not a great makeup day. I did struggle to create this eye look. It had some purple at the beginning and it was more elongated and a lot more dramatic, but I did clean the edges a lot and it took me like 2 hours, I think, to create this thing. It was very patchy and I don't know, I did start with the orange and I think I should have started with the green and then the purple and then the orange, but I learned something at least. But this is not the best makeup look that I ever done. It's totally fine. I did film a reel with it, but yeah, we are gonna use it in 1 or 2 videos. I think it looks okay, but it's not my best work. But let's stop rambling and start talking about the project pen. For today's project pen update, I actually have 2 empties and I'm gonna swap out a product. So we are gonna leave those 3 at the end, but let's start with something that's not very exciting, and that's the highlighter. I'm wearing it today. I always say that the shade is Blossom Gloom, but it's Blossom Glow. Where did the gloom come from? I have no idea. I think I said this highlighter's name wrong in all my videos, but yeah, anyway, it's something with Blossom. This is a great highlighter. I do love it. I'm gonna pop some pictures with it. As you can see, the progress is very sturdy, but very slow, which is okay. I really like this highlighter. It's a great formula. But even though the packaging is horrible and horrendous, I will keep using it, but I'm not gonna go anywhere with it. I will never travel with that packaging. The next product is the High Glass by NYX, and I'm gonna pop some photos as well. As you can see, the progress is a bit slower right now that I decided to use it only on my brow bone. I'm wearing it today as well. I love it so much for that step, so it's okay that it will take a bit longer, but I hope I will finish it until the end of the project. Now I'm realizing that I'm gonna swap out 2 products, not only 1, so 2 finished and 2 swapped out, but we are gonna talk about that, like I said, at the end. Let's talk about the MAC lipstick. This is the shade Kinda Sexy in the matte formula. I'm gonna put a picture. I did use it in the last month, but I much prefer glossies in the moment, so I will keep it in the project because I do really want to finish this one up, but I know that it will be a bit of a slower progress in the summer months. But this color is so stunning and I do like it so much, so I do want to continue using it. Next we have the Ordinary High-Adherence silicone primer, and I'm gonna pop some pictures. We did introduce this one last month. I don't love this primer at this moment very much because this silicone texture with my dry and flaky skin is not the greatest combination, and I could make it work. Today I'm using it with a foundation that we are gonna talk about, and at first it doesn't look too great on the skin, but after a while it's okay. It's sitting really nicely on the skin, but I don't think this primer is helping with my dry and flaky skin. Actually, it's emphasizing a bit the dry patches, so I don't love it, but I really want to finish it up. So if I'm gonna hate it, maybe I will swap it out, but I really want to finish it up, so I will keep using it, and maybe at some point, if I really hate it, I'm gonna use it just by itself, so on the days that I'm not wearing makeup, but I will keep using it and I will let it in my project pen. Next we have the 2 small eye pencils that I have in my project pen. Both are from Sephora. One is called Black Lace, I think. Can't see anything in here, and the other one is Eccentric Diva. One is a purple, one is a black. I'm gonna pop some pictures. As you can see, of course I'm using the black one a bit more, a bit faster because it's a black and I'm using black on my upper waterline every time I'm doing my makeup. But I did use the purple. I don't think in the picture is a big progress, but I did sharpen this one time I think, and this one maybe 2 or 3 times. I like them. I'm gonna use them up. Maybe the black will be done in the next update, even though I don't think maybe 2 more updates for this one to be done, but I do like them, so I'm gonna continue using them. The next product, we have the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. I will put some pictures on the screen as I mentioned in previous updates. I don't think the first picture is very accurate because I had less product at the time than the picture is showing, but I think in the next month this could be finished, maybe 2 months if I'm not using it. I don't really like this setting spray, but I think I'm gonna buy it in a smaller bottle. For the summer I think I will use it more, but after that I don't really need it that much, maybe just for special occasions. And then we have 4 more updates that are actually more interesting. So let's start with the 2 products that I did finish. The first one is the Fit Me by Maybelline, and this is a foundation, and I have the shade 110 Porcelain. I did finish this foundation. As you can see, it's very squished. I could cut the packaging, but I don't really want that because I don't think it's necessary. I don't love this foundation anymore. It was my favorite in the last years, and it's still a great foundation, but it's not my favorite anymore. So I'm very happy to use this one up, and I'm gonna replace it, but it's very interesting. I'm always changing my mind with my project pen, so I think this year project pen will be more like an experiment. I'm still using up a lot of products and I'm very happy with the project pen, but I'm changing my mind every single month. So it is what it is. I want my project pen to be fun. I don't want to punish myself for using products or for not using any products. So I'm gonna switch it up all the time. It's totally fine. I don't have very strict rules because I would hate that. So yeah, initially I said that I'm gonna use all 3 of these foundations, but I did neglect my other foundations, so I actually decided to put in the project pen the Fenty foundation. This is the Eaze Drop and I have the shade number 2. I did decide as well for the newer products to film a short video rather than taking a picture, so I'm gonna insert that with this foundation. I don't think you can see where I'm at. I actually don't think I could see it either, but I want to use this foundation more. And actually for this foundation I'm gonna put a number of uses on it. I think I want to use it 20 times, and I have in mind 6 uses for the month of June, so I'm gonna put that information somewhere on the screen as well. I want to use this foundation more. It's a great foundation. I really like it. I hate it with the ordinary primer, but I think it's the primer's fault, not the foundation's fault. I will use it with other primers as well. I want to use it more. It's a great foundation, and for the summer this will be lovely. For the project pen, I do really think it's great to use older products like this one, but as well I want to use my newer products as well and to test them more and to use them more because they are lovely. I don't want the newer products to become the oldest products, so I'm gonna use this one more, and maybe after I'm using this one I will consider that I need to go back and use my other Fit Me foundations, but we will see then. For now I want to use this one a lot. And then for the second product that I finished is the Shine 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 lip gloss by Essence, and I loved this lip gloss. I had the clear version, very great. I'm gonna pop a picture with the last month product, but it's empty. I did take the stopper out, and as you can see it's finished. Could you see something like this? Yeah, great product. I did enjoy it. They did reformulate it. It's called Extreme Shine right now. I will buy that one at some point. And talking about lip glosses, I did film a battle of the juicy lips, and I will link that video down below, and if it's not up, I will link it in the future. But I'm very excited about that video. I did buy another lip gloss though after filming that video. It's okay, I'm gonna include that lip gloss in a speed review, but this is a lovely gloss. I didn't test the new formula, but I think that one should be great as well, but I will test it at some point. And to replace this lip gloss, I decided to put a lip treatment. This is the Lanolips Lemonaid lip treatment. This product is lovely. I do like the product itself, but it smells like lemon, and I like a lemonade, but this smell is not my favorite. But I want to use this product up. I will insert a short video, like I said, with this one as well. Lovely product. I think I am right here. I think I'm gonna use it up in 1 or 2 months. A lot of products will be finished in 2 months, but next month I don't think I'm gonna finish anything. That's kind of weird. But anyway, I really like this formula, like I said, but I'm not gonna repurchase this exact one after I'm done. But Lanolips in general, I do really like the products. Okay, and then we have 2 more products that I will swap out. The first one is the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer, and I have the shade Light Sand. At this point, I don't really know what's with this product. It could be expired because this has 6 months of shelf life, and I had it for about 10-ish. So this could be expired, but right now I hate it. It looks horrible. It looks very cakey and I don't like it. So I don't think this concealer is for me anyway. I don't know if it is really expired, but I don't remember liking this concealer at any point. It's okay, but it's not my favorite. So I'm gonna swap it out, and I will put in the project pen the Catrice concealer. This is the liquid camouflage, and I have the shade 005. This concealer is lovely. It's a bit too light for me right now, so I think I'm gonna mix it with the other Catrice concealer. I'm gonna put a video with this concealer as well. I think I am kind of right here, so about halfway done. This will not take very long. I think in here we have 5 mils, and the e.l.f. one has 6 mils. Okay, the packaging is kind of different. Oh no, they look kind of right. This one is just a bit more fat. But anyway, I do love this concealer. This one is great. I think I will use it up maybe in 3 months or something like that. Very lovely concealer. I do recommend it, and it's still drugstore priced. And then we have one more product, and that is the Milk Makeup in Baked, and this one is a cream bronzer, but I have it in the Becca small highlighter packaging, and it looks like this. I'm gonna pop some pictures with the update. As you can see, the update is very slow, so that's the reason I decided to swap it out, because cream products are expiring pretty fast, and I just want to use my ABH as well. I don't want to neglect this cream bronzer. This one is the shade Golden 10, and I will insert a video with this one as well. They are both really great. I actually prefer the ABH just because of the packaging. The cream bronzer from Milk, it was in the stick formula, in the stick packaging, and I just prefer this kind of packaging. But the products are really great. I do recommend them both. They are lovely, but I do want to use the ABH as well. This has only 12 months of shelf life, and I think I bought it in October or something like that. Of course, I'm gonna use it a bit more after that, but I just think I want to use this one maybe for the rest of the project. I will see. I really like cream products right now. I don't know if I will use this one up, because it will go bad before I could use it up. That's kind of sad, but at least I used this Milk one a lot more after the packaging broke, because that's the reason I did decide to move it into the Becca packaging, because the twisty thing didn't work anymore. So in other situation, maybe I would just throw it away because the packaging doesn't work anymore. But I actually did move it into the other packaging and use it a bunch more times. I think I moved it in February, so I did use it a lot of months. I'm gonna use this one maybe for the rest of the project, and yeah, so that's the reason I decided to swap them out, but they are both amazing. Okay, so these were all the products. I'm very happy with the progress. I did finish 2 products this month. That's lovely. I did decide to swap 2 products. I'm gonna throw away, by the way, the e.l.f. Camo Concealer is done. Sometimes I need to consider that the products are going bad. It is what it is. And because of this project pen, I did use up a lot of products, but it needs to be a balance. I need to finish up the products that are old, but as well I need to consider my newer products, like these 2, and to use them just because I enjoy them and I don't want them to go bad and become the older ones. So it needs to be a balance, and I think I'm learning every month, so I'm very excited. And I'm very happy that I decided to not have very strict rules, because I don't like that, and it's very fun like that, so I'm very excited. So if you like the video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.